What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome. If you're already subscribed, I appreciate you coming back. So in today's video we have Air Jordan 1 Low Pine Green. I got this off JD. I paid £85 and I thought I'll share it with you. So this is the box. So I got in size 10, which is US 11. Thanks to my girlfriend, she's the one who actually sent me a picture of these and they looked sick. So it was a no-brainer, I needed one. It was pretty difficult to find, not gonna lie. It was the last size. Nothing else in the box. Some number inside there. So that's the shoe. I'll show you this one. There's a price. So pine green. As far as I remember, I never had green shoes, maybe I'm wrong, but these look sick. These are pretty unusual in terms of material they used for the lows. So as you can see, the green part of the shoe, some sort of nylon material, you can hear. So when my girlfriend sent me a picture, I didn't really know. I thought it's just regular leather, you know, like the ones I've got here. Like the same. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it here. Like a soft leather material, but here it's covered in nylon, which looks pretty cool. So the white part of the shoe is really shiny, the same with the swoosh. The toe box, it's got like creased leather, covered again, coated with shine. I'm not entirely sure how do you call it, but it's really nice. Look, it comes with only green laces, flat laces. I like this little touch here, number 23. Nylon tongue as well. At the bottom, the outsole is full green, in green color. The midsole all around white. And the insole, it's got green Jumpman printed on a black insole. I don't know why, but it's two different shape holders. I'm not sure how you call these. Somebody stole one, I guess. But anyway, the shoes was also stuffed. This paper was like all creased. You know how they sell these shoes. They don't really care. So I think the color is pretty sick. As my girlfriend said, it doesn't matter what color the Air Jordans 1. You don't have to match them with the green t-shirt. They automatically look sick. Doesn't matter which color it is. which I completely agree. She got herself red color, so I might make a video about them as well when they come. What else? Let me show you the inside. If you guys know where was the first release, when was the first release, comment down below. It would be interesting to know. In terms of sizing, I'm size 10 UK, the same with this one. I went exactly the same, UK 10. When I first put them on, they were comfy, but then I had a couple of blisters here and there, but after that, after they heal, perfect. They're really comfy. It's really nice look. They got embroidered Air Jordan wings at the back. I like this detail too. If you like the video, guys, leave a like, subscribe, because why not? You're already here. I have more things coming for the unboxing, so stay tuned for that. And I will see you in the next one. Peace!
Rio.